Welcome back to WeatherBug. Todd Nelson with the national coast-to-coast forecast, and winter continues. Even though spring arrives this upcoming Wednesday, the vernal equinox, we still have some chilly conditions that are in place, mainly off to the north-northeast. But look at these highs yesterday from the Ohio Valley down to southwestern Texas, even out in the southwest. Very mild, even reaching record levels on far western Texas. Looking at that cooler air, though, to continue to drop south. And that boundary between the warmth and the cooler air helping to touch off some scattered snow showers and sleet here today through the Ohio Valley. And then another big storm system will be wrapping up through the high plains in the upper Mississippi Valley through the day tomorrow. So we'll talk about that. But yesterday, pretty warm down to the south and much below average to the north. And that cooler air for the day today will continue to drop off to the south. So let's take a look at that storm system, or that boundary rather, and setting up there. Here's our next storm system over the Intermountain West, and that is spreading in some decent snowfall for folks in the northern Cascades, the northern Rockies, eventually some heavy snow in North Dakota, northern Minnesota. But we're also looking at a couple of inches at least of some sleet and snow accumulations. And winter weather headlines are being issued now as you pan off to the north and east as that storm combines with this storm up to the north. Very gusty winds associated with this one. How about this? A few days prior to spring, we have a blizzard watch in place for southwestern Minnesota. Not necessarily for the amount of snow, but for the winds. It'll be blowing all that fresh snow around. So here's a 3-day snow potential. Look at that guy there in the northeast. So we'll have to watch this thing as we approach midweek. But that snow will continue through Monday across the far north, and it will continue in the northeast as well for places out that way. Slight risk of severe weather today from Memphis, Tennessee down to, well, just south of Little Rock. And then for Monday, that severe threat shifts off to the east. So that's one thing that we'll have to watch over the next couple of days.